was many and many a year ago in the kingdom by the sea, that a maiden there lived, whom you may know by the name of Anna. And this maiden should live with no other thought than to love and be loved by me. I was a child, and she was a child, in this kingdom by the sea. But we love, there was more than love. I and my Anna. We love, the wings that out of heaven, confident her and me. And this was the reason that long ago, in this kingdom by the sea, a wind blew out of the clouds, chilling my beautiful Anna. So that her highborn kinsmen came and bore her away from me, to shut her up in a sepulchre in this kingdom by the sea. The angels, not half so happy in heaven, were envying her and me. Yes, that was the reason, as all men know, in this kingdom by the sea. The wind came out of the cloud by night, chilling and killing my Anna. But our love, it was stronger by far than the love of those who were older than me, of many far wiser than me, and neither the angels in heaven above, nor the demons under the sea can ever dissever my soul from the soul of the beautiful Anna. For the moon never came without bringing me dreams of the beautiful Anna. And the stars never rise, but I feel the bright eyes of the beautiful Anna. And so, all the night time, I lie down by the side of my darling, my life and my bride, in her sepulchre, there by the sea, in her tomb, by the sounding sea. Anna by Edgar Allan Poe.
Yay!